So basically, when I arrived in London, I didn't know that loo meant toilet. So I was working in a pub, and a gentleman came in, and he asked for the loo, and I thought he was talking about Louis. I thought he was calling for a guy, and then I said, "Well, I'm new here, so I don't know if he's here." And he was like, "What? No, I just want to go to the loo." And I was, "Well, I'm just gonna check where is he." And he was like, "He? What? What are you talking about?" And then I called the office to ask about the loo, and the office didn't understand. So they call another, like the general manager of the pub, to ask where was the loo, because I asked for a loo or Louis. And then at the end, they called the whole pub, and everyone's like, "Oh, he just wants to use the toilet. It's the second door on the right." I was like, "Oh my God, that's so embarrassing." I didn't know that loo was toilet. That's my most embarrassing story.